Hi Digital Design, good morning. Welcome back from Thanksgiving. I hope you had a great holiday. I definitely did. I definitely ate too much, but that's always to be expected at Thanksgiving. So, hey, I just wanted to touch base with you about this collage, as this week is really your art production week for finishing up the collage, making sure that you meet all of the requirements. This is a project grade. We're just kind of continuing your curriculum, your color curriculum, in a different way as your home until Friday. So make sure that you notice that you are coming back on Friday. You should have your collage completely wrapped up by Wednesday 11:59, so that's all taken care of. But let's talk about your requirements. First of all, you should have no empty space in your collage. You're using the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet or purple. So make sure you have each of those represented. Your pieces that you apply to your collage, they should be about the size of your thumbnail. So, I mean, give or take, like we all have different size hands. So what that means though is so I just have a magazine page here. And in this magazine page, I can find a lot of colors. Like there's like greens in the background, there's reds on his shirt. If I go to like the other side, there's some like yellows that I could use. There's more greens. There's maybe some oranges and reds in there. So definitely you can pull a variety of different colors. They don't all have to be the exact same red or the exact same green. Just make sure that you have them in the right like segment. So anything that's like reddish, you want to make sure is in the red segment, or orangish is in the orange segment of your color wheel. And then I would just tear it out. Like that's what I've done here as an example. I would just tear your pieces out just because that's quicker, but if you want to cut them, that's totally fine too. They should just be about the size of a thumbnail, so about that big, each of your pieces that you apply to your collage. So make sure that you are not making the pieces too big, because that you would miss some points on your rubric for that. You definitely want to look at your rubric that is posted today and just make sure that you're not missing anything that you should be covering. Easy points, for example. And once you return, we're going to get going on Friday. We're going to get going on your low poly. So I'm sure you're anxious to kind of wrap that up, and I'm looking forward to seeing you for that. We will probably do most of our focusing on just like digital work as long as we are in school till the end. So your vocab is still due. So even though your final is no longer happening, your unit vocab is still going to be due. That was going to be a project grade regardless. So just remember that that's supposed to be due by December the 4th. That's Friday in hard copy. I will extend that grade as it doesn't need to be returned to you. So instead now it will be due December the 11th. So that gives you one additional week to get that done. It is due in hard copy. You cannot do it on the computer, and the definitions are provided for you in our in-class course documents folder, along with like the syllabus and all of that. So just make sure that you are not forgetting that, and I will see you on Friday.